Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money with YouTube. For many, making money on YouTube is the dream. After all, YouTubers appear to have a great life and the adoration of their fans to bask in. And since creating a YouTube channel is easier than ever, there's no harm in thinking big and aiming high. But while creating a YouTube channel is simple, turning it into a cash machine isn't as straightforward. You may earn your first $100 by selling something or landing a sponsorship deal. But maximizing earnings requires understanding all your options before you dive in. We've created this article to walk you through all of the information that you'll need to know if you want to know how to make money on YouTube. At the end of this article, you'll know the different ways to make money on YouTube, and you'll be able to grow your own business with one of the biggest internet platforms in the world. Can you make money on YouTube? The short answer is yes. Thousands of people are doing it, and not all of them have millions of subscribers to boot. Contrary to popular belief, YouTube isn't just a numbers game. Your earning potential also depends on the niche you cater to, the level of engagement you generate, and the revenue streams you tap into. That's not to say subscribers and views aren't important. Check out our easy tips to get more views on YouTube. How to make money from YouTube. If you've been looking for new ways to generate income, you may be wondering how to make money from YouTube. Well, there are a variety of different ways that you can start earning on the platform, most of which revolve around creating compelling video content. Here's a look at some of the popular YouTube income streams available. 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. If you've been wondering how to make money from YouTube, then it's essential that you're aware of the YouTube Partner Program and how it works. YouTube content creators won't be able to monetize any of their videos until they've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. When your YouTube channel has 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public views, it'll be reviewed to join the Partner Program. This means that you won't be able to generate any revenue until you hit these numbers, so it's essential to continue creating content and increasing your channel's reach. You can apply for the monetization once you meet the program's criteria. 2. Get featured on YouTube Premium. How do you make money on YouTube besides running channel advertisements? YouTube Premium is the answer. YouTube Premium is a paid membership service that enables people to watch ad-free videos. Creators don't have to do anything, as they'll automatically get a second revenue stream when YouTube Premium members play their videos. 3. Offer channel memberships. When your YouTube channel gets more than 30,000 subscribers, you can add another income stream by leveraging channel memberships. This is where fans pay $4.99 a month for a membership package that includes perks like early access to videos, members-only live chat, exclusive emojis, and more. Members will be highlighted in comments, live chat, and the community tab through special members-only badges. 4. Endorse affiliate products in your videos. Businesses are well aware of the potential which YouTube channels with a large following have, and they're always looking to exploit this to grow their own business. 5. Monetize live streams via Super Chat. Super Chat is a popular new way to make money from YouTube. The feature lets your audience buy chat messages that stand out and, in certain instances, pin them to the top of the comments section of a live stream. So when you go live on YouTube, you can use Super Chat to monetize your stream. 6. Become a YouTube influencer. With influencer marketing on the rise, there's a big opportunity for you as a creator to get in on the action. But where do you start? According to YouTube marketing expert and influencer Brendan Gahan, creators should establish a flat fee by taking the number of views their videos typically receive and multiplying it by 15 cents per view. 7. Lead viewers to your products. It doesn't matter whether you're already running an e-commerce business or you're just looking to learn how to make money from YouTube. It's a great idea to promote your products on your channel. You can promote the items in both your videos and your descriptions. It's a great way to generate more traffic to your website. How to make money from YouTube videos. If you've been wondering how to make money from YouTube videos that you post, there are a few great tips that you'll need to keep in mind when you're creating content. 1. Try to make your videos 10+ minutes long. When you create videos for YouTube that are longer than 10 minutes, you'll have a higher chance of generating more money through ad revenue. YouTube videos that are longer than 10 minutes will likely have a higher watch time, which positively contributes towards the amount of ad revenue that said videos would generate. Also, videos that have a higher average watch time will appear higher up in YouTube's search results, which means there's a higher chance for users to view your content. 2. Collaborate with other YouTubers. One tactic that you can use to make money from YouTube videos is to collaborate with other YouTubers. This is a great method that will allow you to grow your YouTube presence, add unique content to your channel, and open up your content to a whole audience. Do some research on YouTubers who are active in your niche and reach out to them with a great video idea. They'll more than likely be interested in collaborating. 3. Create engaging and informative content. This is vital for the success of your YouTube channel. YouTube users are always searching for videos that will entertain them or will give them value. If you can provide your audience with video content as such, they'll be likely to watch the whole video and come back for more video content in the future. Pro tip: dive into YouTube analytics to see which demographic is paying more attention to your videos. Doing so will give you a better idea of what type of content to create. For example, if you find that your videos are more popular with Gen Z, you can try using a few of their favorite slang words in your videos. 4. Make the most of your descriptions. Descriptions are another valuable answer to how to make money from YouTube videos. They help people discover your content and decide whether to watch or skip it. When writing descriptions for your videos, follow the age-old journalistic writing approach. Mention the most obvious things first, then work towards the less crucial. Also, try explaining what viewers will gain by watching the entire video, and try mentioning at least a few of their pain points. Pain points get people to click. Lastly, use language that your prospective audience will understand and relate to. 5. Build your following with consistent posting. When you're running a YouTube channel, it's a great idea to post content consistently. When you maintain a steady stream of content for your viewers, they'll remain engaged with your channel. This means that they'll be much more aware of your online presence and the properties attached to it, like your e-commerce business. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.